शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम. Hello viewers, welcome to Truly Divine channel. I am Srinidhi. This is Navaratri season. Navaratri. Nava means 9 and Ratri means nights. These 9 nights are dedicated to Goddess Parvati and her divine forms. The 9 divine forms of Goddess Parvati are Shailaputri, Brahmacharini, Chandraganta, Kushmanda, Skandamata, Katyayini, Kalratri, Mahagauri, Siddhidatri. Ma Durga is the reincarnation of Goddess Parvati. It is believed that Goddess Durga has taken form to kill the demon Mahishasur. It is the festival of attaining positivity, courage and winning of good over evil. Celebration of Navaratri occurs in various forms in our country. In southern India, we celebrate this festival by keeping Bomma Kolu. It is India's doll festival. The number of steps vary from 3 to 11 in odd numbers. These steps are covered with white cloths and the idols are arranged neatly. Throughout Navaratri, neighbors, mostly women, are invited and given gifts. In Tamil Nadu, a special dish called Sundal is prepared and offered to Goddess Durga, Saraswati and Lakshmi. Sundal is made out of different pulses. These 9 days, different types of prasadams are offered to Goddess. The first 3 days is dedicated to Goddess Durga, the goddess of power and energy. Mostly prasadam like kesari, lemon rice, green pea sundal is offered. Next 3 days is dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Prasadam like moong dal, sundal, daddojanam are offered. The last 3 days is dedicated to Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of Vidya and victory. The prasadam like coconut rice, sweet pongal, channa sundal, payasam, vada and many more are offered to the goddess. This festival is also a path for women's empowerment, her willpower and strength. On 10th day, idols and dolls are taken from stand, packed carefully to be safe and useful for next Navaratri. Many music composers composed many songs on Ma Durga Devi, Lakshmi Devi and Saraswati Devi. One of the most prime compositions by the great musician Shyama Shastri Garu is the Swarajati, which is sung in Bhairavi Raga and Mishra Chaputalam, that is Kamakshi Anudinamu. It is believed that Kamakshi Devi, another form of Goddess Durga Devi, has helped Shyama Shastri Garu in completing this Swarajati. Kuvalayana ma ga ri sa ri ni sa ri ga ma pa ga ri ga ma pa da ma ga ri sa ni ga ri ga ma pa da ni da pa pa ma ga ri sa kumbha kucha ma da ma ta gaj ga ma padma bhava hari shambhunuta pad sankari nivuna chintalave vegadipsham mai pudu ma pa ni da ma pa da pa ma ga ri ga ma pa ga ma pa ga pa ma ga ri ni sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa pa sa ni da pa ma ga ri bhakta jana kalpalati kakanunalaya sadaya gihitanaya kavave sarana gaduda kada tamasamuse yakavara mosagu Shri pada pa ma ga ri ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri ni sa ri ga ma ga ri sa pa ma ga ri sa ri sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa pa भक्ति संपद हीयवे पावहि गदा मोर विनदा पराकेल नम्मा विनम्म कह ga pa ni ga pa ma ga ri ga ma pa da pa ma ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri ga ma ga ri ga sa ri ni sa ga ri sa ni da pa ma ga ri kalusha hari ni sada ಫಲದ ಯಕಿಯಣಿ ಬಿರುದು ಭುವಿಜೋ ಕಲಿಗಿನ ಧೋರಯನು ಚುಬೆ ತಾಮು ಮೊರಲಿನ ಗಹಿನಿ This is the beautiful Swarajati composed by Sri Shyama Sastri Garu. He addresses the goddess Parvati as his mother, Bhavani, Sri Rajarajeshwari, the nourisher of all the world, the esteemed Devi, the lotus-eyed Pavani, Kamakshi, the blemishless one, protect me, Amba. These 9 days, prasadam of different types are offered to goddess Parvati Devi. One of the most often prasadam which is offered to the goddess is Kesari. Let us see how Mrs. Ranganayaki prepares it in a very simple way.
Hello viewers, welcome to Truly Divine channel. This is our Navaratri season. So, we are going to do prasadam which will be offered to Ma Durga Devi. And let us start the prasadam with a sweet. So, here we are going to do kesari. So, the ingredients what we need is a glass of Bombay Rava, which can be roasted before itself, and with the same measurement you can use 2 glass of sugar and a pinch of food color. Probably we go for orange kesari powder, a pinch, and a little amount of ghee. Right. So here we have kept a bronze vessel. So to prepare sweet, this is very safety measures than our non-stick daba everything. So let us pour some amount of ghee in it. Let it be melted. The safetiness of this kadai, or whatever we say, the olden methods of this vessel, we can do it with a sim, making our flame to a lower thing, or with a higher thing also. It will not get stick up in it. So that is the reason always the olden days we all used to have such type of vessels for preparing sweets. So first 3 days are for our Durga Mata, and second 3 days are for our Lakshmi Mata, and the last 3 days are for our Saraswati Mata. So first Durga Mata, first 3 days, whatever we are going to do it, let us not add garlic or onion. Whatever prasadam we like, we know it, let us do it and offer to her, who is the goddess of power and energy. After this has been heated, you just put a small amount of Bombay Rava in it, and you can see that it is nicely coming up. So that is the right stage. Then you can add your rava into it completely and just fry it for 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see that it has been roasted nicely in our ghee, and now you lower your flame, and to get boiled this Bombay Rava, add 2 cups of water to it. 2 cups of water to it, or even you can add 2.5 cups. Nicely let it boil. The rava must be boiled properly. Now you can keep high your flame and nicely stir it. When all the water gets absorbed by our Bombay Rava, then you can start adding your sugar. So meanwhile, let it boil for some time. Now because you have roasted, you will not get like balls when it is poured. Water have been poured, you will not get like balls. That is because we have roasted it already in our ghee. So whenever we prepare sweet, we have to put some amount of ghee excess so that it can be very sweety and everyone can like that. Now you can see slowly the water have been absorbed by our Bombay Rava, and it has boiled also. The Bombay Rava also have got boiled. So still more thickness you need. Let it be as without any water. Let it be as a solid paste like this. So now it has been nicely boiled and it is not sticking on to our container. And this container also, though you keep the flame for a very high level, the rava will not stick on. Whereas when you go to aluminum or steel vessel, it gets sticks. The bottom part of it gets sticks. So now you can lower your flame. Now you can see that nicely it has become solid there, right? And it has boiled. Now you can start adding your sugar. For 1 cup of Bombay Rava, we have taken 2 cups. You can use 1.5 cup also. It depends upon how much ever sweet you need. So nicely you can add it. At last what you can do is, you can see small balls which you can break and stir it, and so that it becomes a nicely thick paste like. And meanwhile you can have like this white color kesari itself. No, you can use your this one food colors. Then you can dissolve food color in water and you can add little bit so that it gets color. So now food color have been added, and it never comes as a balls there. You can break that easily, it gets broken up, and then nicely you stir it, let it boil, and you can have a very good aroma also. So you will get a very good aroma, and it gets as a thick paste, and let it boil for some time so that it gets as a solid paste. So you can see that our kesari have got as a nice thick paste like. Then you can lower your flame and you can switch off, and then you can put your dry fruits fried in ghee, add it, as well as elachi for decorating. So allow it to boil like this. Then you will get a nice thick paste. When it is not boiling, you can see that it is coming round way, which is not sticking on to the vessel. So now our kesari is ready. So we can decorate our kesari and offer to our Durga Mata, who is the goddess of power and energy. Let us get our blessings from her. Yes, so like this you can fry your dry fruits and you can put it for decoration also, and you can offer it to our Durga Mata.
Om Shakti Om Shakti Om Shakti Om Om Shakti Om Shakti Om Shakti Om. Navaratri. Navaratri is a festival to celebrate this victory of Goddess Durga over the wicked demon Mahishasura. The story is symbolic. If we relate this story to our life, we can say that inequality, injustice, corruption, all demons and we need to muster courage like Goddess Durga to defeat these demons and to empower our life. Om Shakti Om Shakti Om Shakti Om Om Shakti Om Shakti Om Shakti Om. Please do watch it, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.